Okay, YouTube, let's try this one more time. Alright, so what you do is you take this hub after you got all this bolted up, because like I was saying, you can take an idler axle and make a brake axle out of it. You ain't gotta change the whole axle. So what you have to do, you have to go buy this electric brake assembly, and you gotta buy this, and then you gotta buy the hub. And this is the hub here. So what you do, and it's pretty easy, you know, it's not hard. To do. So, but like I say, if you so what you do is take this and put it up over it like this, and the bearing will come out if you ain't careful. And you gotta wiggle it and get it back up in there, and make sure it's gonna go on there tight. And then you take that's the Carter key. Make sure this washer is on the back of this nut, because that's what keeps that bearing in there. Then you just tighten it up. You don't want to put it too tight. You want to put it finger tight, because if you put it too tight, it'll wear the bearings out real quick. So, and I'll show you how I do it. And you can pretty much check and see how easy it spins. And I'll show you. Just take some off. Take some. I'll back it off. I'll show you what'll happen if you tighten it up too tight. See, it's got a lot of drag on it, and what it'll do, it'll wear that bearing out. See, you can't hardly turn it. So what you need to do is back up off of it. And you just find the holes, and it's gonna be a minute, cause I gotta find them myself. Find out where they at, and they're right there. And see, as long as it don't have no play in it, you can't move it back and forth. If you move it back and forth and it does it, then you know it's too loose. And just tighten it up a little bit more. So, but yeah, it's really not hard to do. You just got to know just a little bit to do it. You don't need to go pay somebody a couple $100 to do it. You can do it yourself. Just get a video on YouTube. YouTube's helpful about doing stuff this way, but some things is easy. It's better that you do it and learn how to do it yourself, and that way you never forget it. And this is pretty much it. And I'm gonna make another video probably in a couple hours because I gotta hook the brake up to the big pigtail, and this is it. This is a 7-pin plug. So it's got 3 here, 3 there, and the middle one. That's a 7-pin plug, and it's got all the wires, and of course the white is ground. And I'll go over this when I make another video of it, and I'll do that in a couple hours. I'm not gonna do it right now because it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and I've been up 32 hours, I think. So I'm getting a little tired, and I gotta take this trailer to the guy. I gotta leave at 10 o'clock. But this one here has been one of the most difficult trailers that I've ever done. And it's not, what I'm saying is it hadn't been difficult to do, to build. It's been difficult because of the guy that's building it. He's never built a trailer before. He's never owned a trailer before. And he's never backed a trailer up before. Or he's never pulled one neither. So he's in for a rude awakening, I'm afraid. Yeah, he'll probably send me this one here. He done jackknifed it and tore the tongue off of it and everything else. But anyway, he wanted all these toolboxes on there. He's going to use this thing to pressure wash out of. And nope, he's never pressure washed neither. So I don't know what people think. But anyway, this is the trailer. Like I say, a couple hours I'll make another video of me hooking all this pigtails and stuff up. But that big one, if you got that big one, you pretty much got a brake in your truck. But you get that's a 7-pin. This one here is a 4-pin. And, you know, it's pretty easy to hook up. And, you know, the brown wires, that's the running lights. And you got the yellow wire for the left turn signal and the green wire for the right turn signal. It's pretty easy. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this video. And subscribe to the channel. I'll do some more later. See you.